In this video, I'm going to run through the types of joins that are available in Trevor and how those work. So we're going to start with a table. And joining another table on just means bringing the data from both tables together and deciding what you're going to base that join on. So if I go in here to our custom wizard and I choose our orders table, you can see here we have our customer table. That's the one I already have open, and that has an ID in it. And I'm joining my orders table, which has a customer ID in it. So the customer ID in this table will match the customer ID in this orders table. You can also match on other things if they're the same. So for example, if I have the customer email and for some reason I also have the email of the customer in the orders table, I could match based on those as well. So I'm going to select this one, and then we have the option to change the type of join. The left join is the default in Trevor, so as standard, that's the way everything will join. And this join basically takes everything from table 1 and brings in anything that matches from table 2. So in this example, I have my customers and I'm bringing in my orders. So any order that matches a customer, that will get brought in. If there are any orders, for example, that didn't match a customer, they wouldn't get pulled in. So I'm going to hit done here, and that's going to pull all of those in. So now I can see for each customer all of their orders. If I switch this to a right join, what this will do is take everything from table 2, which is my orders table, and just the matching ones from table 1, which is my customers table. So what this will do is actually exclude any customers that don't have an order. So we can hit that here. And there's a way to actually check this. So if I do a row count, I can see that I have 501 rows in the right join. If I switch this to a left join, 504. So that tells me that I have 3 customers that have never placed an order, because I'm basically filtering those out by doing a right join with the orders. And if I just do a quick filter here, I want to see the ones who just double check this. Yeah, so I have 3 customers here who have never placed an order with us. The other types of joins, so I'm just going to remove these steps, are an inner join. So basically what an inner join does is it takes table 1, table 2, and everything that matches on both of them. So if we have a customer in an orders table, for example, let's say my customers is table 1, my orders is table 2, they will only show customers and orders that match. So if there was any customers that didn't have an order, they wouldn't get pulled in. If there were any orders that didn't have a customer, they wouldn't get pulled in. In this example, all of my orders have customers, so it works pretty similarly to a right join, because it's just excluding any customers that don't have an order. So these are things that if you know them about your tables, that can be quite helpful. Or you can obviously just work through the joins and investigate the actual rows that get left and see how they fit. Then we also have an outer join. So just to show where these joins are, they're all available here. An outer join brings everything in from all of the tables. So everything from table 1, everything from table 2. So in my example, it would bring in all of my customers, regardless of whether they have an order or not, and all of my orders, regardless of whether they have a customer or not. Everything gets pulled in. And that is everything. So if you have any questions on joins at all, do just drop us a message on our chat. We're more than happy to help. They can be somewhat complex, so anything you need, just let us know.